The Welsh Government wants all children and young people in Wales to have everything they need and to enjoy their rights. We asked children, young people and families what would make the biggest difference for people living in poverty. What they told us has helped us write a new child poverty strategy for Wales. We have 5 big goals. Help out with low or no-cost things for families and make sure families receive all the money that is available for them. Help children and young people to grow and learn and help people into well-paid jobs. Support families in the places where they live to feel happy, healthy and well. Make sure everyone is treated well and feels respected by the people who work with them. Support organisations to work together to make things better for people in poverty. We will work across Welsh Government to make this happen.